Thokozani Gogo Mkhulu. Guys, the question is, Gogo, I'm losing things. I've lost things actually, and I don't know what to do anymore. And things are going from better to worse, from worse to the grave. And I'm even thinking of killing myself. I saw your videos, and I think maybe you can help me. And whatever you say that, hey, Gogo, get. Guys, let's look at this this way. Ukuthi yes, better and things are not going well. I think, Mina, the first thing that you need to do before you go look for help, before you go to a person that is being recommended to you, you need to do a self-introspection. You need to go to Inukwamakwapa. You need to ask yourself, what went wrong? Where did I contribute towards my life to be where it is now from where it was? Wena ufanele ukuthi ube neqiniso, because you won't be answering to anyone but to yourself, to say what really happened. You know, write down and find X in your life. What went wrong? And that is the first thing that was going to assist ingilosi yakho, number one. Number two is going to assist the person that you're going to look for help to. Lastly, number three is going to assist umuthi ozobusetshenziswa kuwena to help you better, because you have identified what is the problem, what went wrong, and where you find yourself, this was my fault, I shouldn't have done this, I shouldn't have done that, here it was not my fault, it was Banbani, so. It's okay, it's okay, you move on. So these three elements are going to help you, are going to make sure that you get help, you get from the worst to better, from better to best life, to good life that you always desired, something that is beyond the life that you had or you've even imagined, or what you deserve it. So that is how Umuthi works. I'm going to do many series in terms of talking about the issue of Umuthi. How does Umuthi works? How does really Umuthi find a place into your life? Umuthi awuhlali emanyaleni. Umuthi awuhlali on a person who's in denial ukuthi wena inkinga yakho kwisidakwa, and that's how ulahlekelwa umsebenzi, that's how ngone uphuma emsebenzini, because usebenza umsebenzi that is very sensitive, or awufuneki nje utshwala at all emsebenzini la usebenza khona. So if ever you think ukuthi wena umuthi will do everything for you, and you're running a business, but all you do is to go out with your friends, is to drink, and you end up not paying your staff members, things like that, definitely things will go well, bad. Nothing will go well. Why? No, it has nothing to do with target, guys. Nothing. It has everything to do with the fact that you are not managing your life well. But as soon as you have identified to which, okay, it's fine, and now I'm willing to do things the right way and everything, then that's when Umuthi kicks in again to help you to strengthen everything that you're doing, to help you to make sure ukuthi izinto ozenzayo awusaphazamiseki, because sometimes thothi uphazamise imimoya, thothi ulula, kunezinto ezincane ezihamba zikuphazamise into efana lezo, but now you are able to take decisions and stay by your decisions, and very strong on your decisions ukuthi I'm not moving, I'm not going anywhere. This is the life I want to live now, not the life I was living yesterday. So that's how Umuthi works in Ganza. So if you go again, in closing, when you go look for help, Gogo Bathini Mbatha, or to anyone that is a traditional healer, because it's many of us who are traditional healers, or kumthandazing again and everything, make sure ukuthi you first assist that medication or whatever, ichibi, olive oil or anointed oil or whatever, assist it with a proper self-introspection. Zinuke amakwapa. I'm telling you guys, there's no muti that will never work on you. And be positive. Believe, Umuthi, now you are changing your life, and whatever life you want to live, you're going to live it. Gogo Bathini. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the work of Locksmith, and make sure Umuthi, you remember we have an appointment at 12 midnight every day, 24/7, whereby we upload new videos. Salwa Sendota, Gogo Bathini Mbatha, Locksmith, Gogo, my boys. Hey, it's Ning Lezibong. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.